Million, the new fragrance for men by Paco Rabanne.
Max & Sons Parfum is here to help you feel and smell your absolute best. If you are new in this channel, don't forget to like, leave a comment, subscribe, and smash that bell button to keep you updated. Let's get started.
So this is Max & Sons Parfum. We are opening the Paco Rabanne 1 million. We are unboxing the Paco Rabanne 1 million. With a John Gilbert and a John Albin. Because it's new. It's a little bit strong. So this is the Paco Rabanne 1 million. Smells like grapes with patchouli. So this is called that's it. So this is the unboxing of the Paco Rabanne 1 million, and have a good one. See you again, guys. Thank you. Bye bye.
Thank you for watching Max & Sons Parfum. If you like this video, share it with your friends to start smelling absolutely gorgeous. Don't forget to like, put any comments regarding your concern in perfumes and fragrances, and we're happy to answer you or do a video for you. Subscribe and hit that bell for you not to miss any of my contents uploaded every week. See you again next time. Max & Sons Parfum. Even the goddess will fall.
Million, the new fragrance for men by Paco Rabanne.